Trading crypto on Coinbase may include costs, such as the spread and transaction fee. For example, if I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, I would receive 0.0010741 fraction of a Bitcoin. However, if you divide $100 by the current Bitcoin price of $91,385, it would be 0.00109,426, a larger fraction of a Bitcoin. That's because Coinbase charges you two different fees: transaction fee plus a spread. If I change the purchase amount to $500, the transaction fee increases. I tested different amounts and the Coinbase fee percentage stayed at 1.84%. Another cost on Coinbase is the spread. Here the market price of Bitcoin is $63,472. But when I try to buy $250 worth of Bitcoin, the price shown under the Bitcoin amount is $64,109. That's because a 1% spread is being applied to this transaction. This means I am receiving less Bitcoin than I would at a true market price. If I divide 250 by 63,472, I would receive 0.0039387 of a Bitcoin. But because Coinbase is using the spread price of $64,109, I receive 0.0038996. The difference is 0.0000391 of a Bitcoin. If I multiply that difference by the fair market price of $63,472, it equals about $2.48. That is the cost of the spread. On top of that though, I am also paying a transaction fee of $4.60. So in total, I am paying $7.08 in spread plus transaction fees, which is about 2.8% of my $250 investment. If you want to know more about Coinbase fees, you can find details in their help section. Now notice here that under Coinbase Advanced, it states that there is no spread fee. Let me go back and try the same $250 transaction using Coinbase Advanced now. Here, the total fee shown is about $2.96. This is an estimate since I did not complete the trade. Coinbase Advanced fees are usually lower because trades are executed directly on the order book. Your fee depends on Coinbase fee tier system, which is based on your trading volume. Even if you only buy crypto occasionally though, it can make sense to use Coinbase Advanced if you're comfortable with it, since the total cost may be significantly lower. Continue with the full Coinbase guide playlist here. Thanks so much for watching.